off, we had a bit of a problem with the edge falling over to one side, so the blade is not straight. So we're going to see if we can quickly address that, get it straightened out. As you can see, I've cut the knife off from the piece of steel I was working with, so now I have to use tongs to hold on to the steel, because it's going to be too close to where the blade is in the forge to hold with a glove. It's going to burn straight through. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so starting to get up to temperature. The idea behind using a smaller hammer is that I don't want to dent or move the steel, I just want to bend it. So getting a flat surface and then seeing if I can get that edge, because basically what's happened is the edge has fallen over like this. So what I want to do is I want to hit the high spots and just coax it back into straight, and then check that my tip, the heel of the blade and the tang are all nicely lined up from the back and the front, on top and bottom, and then to check if that false edge that I've hammered in has also done the same thing. So I got to now get that straightened without moving the edge again. Let's see if we can sort it out. Tip still stays out of alignment. Not sure why. Not that. oh, this alignment is killing me, it's not working, why is it not working? Now there I can see a couple of issues. So that's what's going on. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but there's a bit of issues happening. It's a lot better than what it was this morning before I picked it up again. Seems there's an issue this side and a bit of an issue back here on the false edge. It's leading over to this side, so I'm going to have to work on that side to get it to come back.